Welcome to our students of 2021, students and parents. Normally, years gone past, we've done an information evening for our kindergartens coming in and give you all the information about our awesome Spears Point Public School. This year, we're getting a little bit different, we're getting a bit more creative, and we're bringing a series of videos, little snippet videos that we like to call Vippets. There's going to be a whole range of these coming out to introduce you to our school, to get familiar with the school, and take out any mystery that might be what's behind the gates of Spears Point Public School. So if you haven't already, like our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can see all the Vippets as they're released. Let's have a look at what is Spears Point Public School.